All right, time now for some best reviews, and I love this. We're here with Judd right now, and you actually work with a lot of people who are over 50. And we're talking about products for people who are 50 plus.
That's right, Gary. And I have some favorite products too that we recently reviewed at Best Reviews. One in particular is the foam roller,
Okay.
which is great for home gyms. It really works on flexibility. Everyone should have this in their home if they're 50 plus, especially when it comes to fighting knee pain. This guy right here can really address the tight quadricep muscles that
Nice.
are often really tight, and they attach to your kneecap. And when they're tight, they cause knee pain, pull your knee out of alignment. So this is a great piece of equipment to help address knee pain.
I've had that before. I'm not going to admit I'm over 50, but I've had that before. All right, and what about these?
Simple, 5-pound dumbbells,
Yeah.
dumbbell bicep curls.
I'll go for the tiny ones. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
It's easy.
Exactly. But the dumbbells here, great for upper body exercises, especially for the arms, back, and chest.
All right, and this one, it says it right in there, sweet sweats. You're going to be sweating if you're using these, right?
You will. And people underestimate how hard these can be because they target a notoriously weak muscle called your gluteus medius,
Okay.
which in most 50 plus people, they're not firing and they're weak and they cause lower back pain and knee pain, Gary.
Now I know why I've got the back pain. Okay, and then this, we're saving this one for last. This one's awesome, and I want to demonstrate this one. But what actually is this?
This is called a resistance band with handles. And this is probably one of the better pieces of equipment for a home gym because you can do pretty much a full body workout with this.
Okay, let's go around here and check it out.
Let's
See what
do
you
it.
got. Give us a little something here because I want to get involved. I know that I'm going to watch the pro do it. So what do we have first?
So Gary, what I want to see you try first,
Okay.
I'm going to put both feet over this band.
All right.
You're going to hold it right towards your shoulders.
Okay.
You have a hip width stance.
Nice.
You're going to go into a squat, go with your chest up. You're going to squat with resistance.
Interesting.
So the band's actually giving you a continuous resistance up and down.
Got it.
Then when you're done, you would immediately go into a bicep curl, for example.
All right.
Then work the other arm muscle, your triceps. Do a tricep extension.
Just push that one back.
Let me see you try that.
All right, here, I'm going to start with the tricep because I can't remember the first one you did, so we'll do one with the last one that you did. All right, so right here,
Now
and we're just going like this.
Bend your knees.
Bend a
Gary.
little bit more, okay.
Perfect, just like that. Perfect. Keep your elbows in.
Okay.
Working the almighty tricep muscle. Then you would stop and work the opposing muscle group.
This way?
The bicep, yeah.
All right, and then I noticed different colors on these too as far as different resistance, right?
Correct.
Okay.
You're using a pretty thick band too, so you're a pretty strong guy, Gary. That's
Yeah,
giving you some
yeah,
good
yeah.
resistance. Look at those arms.
Look at that, come on, not like yours. Okay, and then the last one, what do I do for this last one?
Squat. So let me see your hands. I want you just like
I'm
this.
like this?
Palms
Oh,
facing
boy.
me.
Yeah, this is a tough
A
one.
little wider stance.
Okay.
Now I want to see you push your hips back like
Let me
this.
just turn this way here, okay.
Keeping your chest up.
All right.
Now drive your chest up, and there's your squat
yeah,
pattern.
I feel that.
Working your quadriceps,
Okay.
hamstrings, and your glutes.
Ooh, this
That's
is
a big
good.
three, big compound movement for you.
Ooh, Judd, this is a good one. I
I
like
agree.
this. Yeah, fantastic.
Looking strong, Gary.
Very, very good. All right, so if we want to get more information on these, get some reviews on these, where do we go?
That's simple. Go to bestreviews.com. Our #1 goal is to simplify your purchasing decisions.
There you go. All right, Judd, thanks a lot.